So guys, first method, come to gigabyte.com. You can see here this is officially website, so if you want to any driver, okay, then in the right side you can see search button, just click. After that type your model number Z890I AORUS Ultra. After that click to search. Then click to product. Then click to then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. Suppose I am using Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so no worry, your installations process or 100% same Windows 10 and 11. Okay, select my operating system. VLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. Okay, you can see your latest driver. Okay, and click to download. It is done, and just single click to open and just double click to exe file. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. It is done, and close it.